From the very early time that I became involved as a lawyer, I had always had aspirations of becoming President of the United States. I didn't think it was possible, but when I met my wife, Mary Todd, she was very well connected with politics, and she helped me become the politician I later was famous for. She helped me become president. Now, her family, it's very interesting that her family came from Kentucky and her family owned slaves. I never ever really liked slavery. I didn't think it was right that people had to work for someone else and would not be compensated. And so I spent a lot of my time fighting against slavery as president. Now, when I became president, a number of states, 7 I think, left the Union. And right away, even before my first day in office, the United States was on the brink of war. I didn't want to go to war. I would have liked to not have to go to war. But the southern states decided to leave the United States. And I didn't believe that that was right. So I asked them in my inaugural address to please do not start any fighting. Unfortunately, on April 12th, 1861,